Are you a mom trying to figure out how to earn extra money without sacrificing precious time with your kids? In this video, I'm going to share a simple way for busy moms to start making money online, even if you have zero experience or skills. Let's make this possible for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan for starting an online business that fits into your life, giving you the freedom to make money while still being there for your kids. If you're new to my channel, I'm Delia, married homeschooling mom to an amazing 13-year-old, burnt out accountant turned digital marketer. I actually lost my 9-to-5 job 3 weeks into my digital marketing journey, and I wasn't sad about it. I was actually very excited that I could actually focus on this full time and give it my all. And I actually wish I would have found this before I had spent 5 years of my life getting a degree and getting $40,000 into student loan debt. I had tremendous guilt every day working because we were missing out on events through the week that my son needed for those social connections. And if you're a homeschooler, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I've been where you are, wanting to earn income from home without taking away from my family. After years of trial and error, I found a system that works for me. I'm here to share it with you. If you're serious about getting started and want a free guide to help, comment "Freedom Starts Here" below, and I'll send you a free blueprint to make this happen. So let's dive into the 10 steps. You'll need to identify a simple niche that fits with what you enjoy or know a bit about. Why this matters? Because choosing a niche you're somewhat passionate about keeps you motivated, even on busy days. A niche is basically a topic or area of focus for your online business. You could focus on parenting tips, DIY crafts, or even budgeting for moms. Think about what other moms like you might need or what could help them or what you could help them with. The idea is to keep it simple and relatable. And number 2, offer real value without overcommitting time. Now let's talk about offering real value in small doses. This is key because you're balancing mom duties, maybe homeschooling or a full-time job. So we want to create something that doesn't require tons of time. This value could be sharing tips on social media, creating a quick blog post, or recording a short video on a topic your niche cares about. Find ways to help others while keeping it manageable, and you'll start building trust with your audience. Use free tools to get started. Starting out can feel overwhelming, so let's keep costs low and simple. Free tools make it possible to create professional content and build your brand without spending a lot of money up front. Canva is great for creating graphics, and CapCut for editing videos. And I'm sure you know Instagram or TikTok, great for sharing your journey and tips with other moms. This way you're getting visible without stretching your budget. Start small and use family-friendly hours because this is your online business, not something that's meant to take you away from your kids. You can dedicate 1 to 2 hours during nap times or after bedtime to work on your business. You can do things like respond to followers, create content, or learn something new. This keeps it low stress and easy to manage while you're still hands-on with your family. And number 5, learn from others who've done it. One of the best ways to succeed without experience is to learn from moms who've done it before you. This cuts down on your learning curve and helps you avoid common mistakes. Look for online groups, courses, or communities where moms like you share their tips and experiences. Follow other moms on social media, watch their content, and take notes on what resonates with you. You'll build confidence and skills quickly this way. If you're ready to dive in and start your online business journey, I have a full blueprint designed specifically for moms. Check the link in the description below to access this 100% profit online business program where you can learn how to earn while staying at home with your kids. This may or may not be the right fit for you, but checking it out is absolutely free. Now for number 6, create a simple lead magnet. Now let's create a simple lead magnet. This matters because it's how you start connecting with potential clients and offering them value. A lead magnet is something free, like a checklist or guide that moms can download in exchange for their email. For example, a 5 Quick Tips for New Mom Entrepreneurs PDF can help you build a list of people who want to hear from you. It's a win-win. Number 7, grow your network with other moms. Connect with other moms to expand your reach. Networking with moms who are also building an online business can inspire and motivate you. It also gives you a support system that understands your challenges. You can join Facebook groups, local mom groups, or online communities where you can share tips, find potential collaborators, and learn from each other. Number 8, automate your content to save time. The key to making this manageable as a mom is to automate your content. This allows you to keep posting consistently without needing to be online constantly. Tools like Later or Buffer allow you to schedule posts in advance. You could create 1 week's worth of posts in an hour and then let them publish automatically for you. This gives you more time to focus on family and other areas of your business. Number 9, choose a simple business model. Choosing a simple business model is essential. We want something straightforward, low cost, and manageable. One example is affiliate marketing, where you recommend products moms need and earn a small commission. Another is offering a digital product like an ebook or course on a skill you're comfortable teaching. These allow you to earn 100% profit because you create it once and sell it over and over. Simple models are ideal because they're easy to start and scale without needing major investments. Finally, number 10, stay consistent and show up. Consistency is your best friend. Why? Because showing up regularly builds trust and keeps you on your audience's radar. Even if it's just posting once or twice a week, showing up consistently lets people know you're serious and dedicated. Set small, achievable goals for each week and stay committed, even if progress feels slow at first. This habit is what will set you apart. If you're ready to get started but still unclear on how or where to start, check out the link in the description below to get the details of the fully automated done-for-you program I use. It may or may not be the right fit for you, but it doesn't hurt to see what it's about. Also, check out the next video for more tips on building your online business. Remember, you've got this, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Comment below with any aha moments or your favorite takeaways. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.